Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You guys know I'm a Benchmade guy. We've talked about this before. I've shown you a couple of my Benchmade knives, and I just got a new one. I've wanted this knife since they brought these out. This is the Water Series. These knives are supposed to be impervious to salt water, fresh water. They're supposed to be rust proof, all that kind of good stuff. We're gonna find out. Now I'll be honest with you, I've already opened this up. This is not an official unboxing video because I've already opened it. I've been carrying it. I've tested it. I've cut some things with it. It's pretty incredible. So it comes with this little cleaning cloth, which is nice. A little care and use guide, and it does have the Life Sharp guarantee, and I 100% believe that. What we have here is, I think it's the Adonis? No, Adria, the Mini Adria. I fell in love with this knife when I first saw it. It's got this really great texturing here. It's got some really good jimping up here. Nice attention to detail. It's Benchmade, you would expect that. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is CPM Magna Cut, which is arguably one of the best steels out there, and it does flick very well. It is extremely sharp. I opened a package of some kind of snack food for my son day before yesterday, and barely had to put any pressure. It just cut right open. It was so great. I got this little lanyard here with a little, I don't know what you call that, a little doohickey. Don't know if I like the lanyard. I'm probably going to take that off. I feel like it gets in my way when I'm flipping, you know, like so. But still needs a little breaking in to get the blade good and smooth. But there's a shot from that side and a shot from that side. And let's see if I can show y'all how well it cuts. A receipt from Lowe's. I mean, alright, now you're going to make a liar out of me. In my opinion, the true test of how good a knife cuts is how cleanly it cuts in curves. That is super clean. This thing is incredibly sharp. You know, I'm kind of a Benchmade simp, if you will. I absolutely love Benchmade, and this knife lives up to everything I expect from Benchmade. The Life Sharp guarantee says they'll resharpen your Benchmade back to factory edge anytime you need it. You just ship it to them. So, gonna hold on to the box, obviously, and if I need to ship it to them to get it sharpened, I can do that. What do y'all think? I got this from a store called Going Gear. Now, Going Gear, they're actually known for being online and doing kind of a mystery box type thing. They've got two different boxes. One is $60 a month and one is $200 a month. And the $60 a month box has a knife and maybe a flashlight or some kind of an EDC tool or something like that. A neck knife, something that you can carry on you. It's not too expensive. The value ranges between $60 and $75 for each box on average. The $200 box has everything that the $60 box has, as well as usually, most times, either a really high-end folder or a really high-end fixed blade, and a couple other things on top of that that are really nice. Now, I don't have the subscription boxes. I've thought about getting the $60 box, and they're not, you don't have to subscribe for a full year. You can just buy one, or you can put it on auto pay on their website, and it will renew every month until you tell them to stop. So at any point in time you want to, you can stop the boxes, the payment, the shipping, all that kind of stuff. I've thought about subscribing to the $60 box just to see what I get. But I like this type of closing, crossbar lock, whatever you want to call it. A lot of different knife companies, every knife company has a different name for it. I call it a crossbar lock. I'm not interested in pocket knives that have frame lock. I don't like a frame lock. I've got a few that are frame lock. They're nice knives. There's nothing wrong with them. I just don't like a frame lock. I have a problem sticking my finger in the area where the blade's about to be, especially when they're this sharp. So I'm thinking about ordering the $60 box and then giving away the things I don't want to keep here on the channel. Not the whole box. Just like if it comes with a CRKT knife that is a liner lock and I don't want it, maybe I give it away. I don't know. I'm just thinking about it. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think of the Benchmade Adira Mini. I think it's a phenomenal price. He carries all the Benchmade knives, or they're not always in stock, but he has all the Benchmade knives, and they are phenomenally priced. Very well priced. I've seen this knife go for anywhere from $250 to $300, and I think he had it for $230. I think, or maybe it was $250. Anyway, he's at the very least, he's at the lower end of the retail pricing. So go check out his website. It's just Going Gear. Just Google Going Gear, and he'll have a sponsored page pop up first on Google, and then the very next listing is his actual store. This is not a sponsored video. He is not giving me anything or paying me anything. I'd love it to be. So if you want to sponsor this video, you know where to find me. Anyway, yeah. See you guys in the next one.